How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So the first thing that you want to do is open your app and import the video. Once you have imported your video, you can just tap on it, and from here what you want to do is first duplicate the video. So if you just scroll to the side, you will see an option to duplicate. So just tap on it. What this will do is copy it and paste it to your other option. Now you need to create an overlay, so just select the second video that you just copied and tap on overlay from here. Now all you have to do is line up these two videos that are perfectly aligned, and now what you have to do is tap on the first video and then choose an effect. You can tap on video effects and search for blur right here. And once you search for it, just find the filter that is suitable for your video. I'm just going to choose this one. And once you do that, tap on OK. So now the blur effect has been applied to the first video. As you can see here on the video effects, we can tap on it and tap the blur effect. And if you go to second video now, what you have to do is create a mask. So just scroll to the side and create a mask. By doing this, you have different options that includes various shapes. I'm just going to choose circle because I want to blur the football right here. I'm just going to choose the circle and adjust its size. That is close to the football. So I'm just going to do this, and now as you can see, the football actually is not blurred. So I'm gonna tap on this invert button, and now the football is blurred. You just have to add keyframe, and once you do that, just swipe and keep going and keep adding the blur like so. Just follow the ball wherever it is or whatever object you want to blur, and by doing this, it will automatically add the keyframes on your video. So once you are done doing this, you can again add the keyframes till the end of the video. And finally, it should look something like this on your final output. So just tap on OK once you're done. And now if I play the video, as you can see, the blur is now following the football. And that's how you create or blur on a video on CapCut. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.